Hi guys, and welcome to Phoenix and the Noms. Well, we're outside, it's a little bit windy, and you're staring at my Wonder Wash. And what this is it's my washing machine I use in the good weather. So the spring, the summer, the fall, I use this to wash our clothes. And it's really cool. It's not electric, off-grid, and I freaking love it. I got it off of a local garage sale group for $25 Canadian, and I've been using it for over a year now. So I use this soap, this laundry soap from the Lemure company, and it's like a zero waste company where you can bring this bottle back as many times as you want and just refill it. And it actually comes cheaper to refill it than buying a new one. And this is the kind of soap where it's ecological friendly, and it has a whole list of stuff that's not in it, you know, all the bad stuff. And this, when it goes into the water, okay, you can use this water after to put it on your garden. It's called gray water. So I have my watering can here for the garden set up to catch the water after. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 tablespoon of soap. That's all it takes, 1 tablespoon. And that's because this is a concentrated laundry soap. It's not like a regular laundry soap. You're going to take your clothes, whatever your clothes is for the day, and this is a face cloth, and it can hold a lot actually. This is a pair of jogging pants going in, so you stuff it in. Another face cloth, t-shirt, shorts, and this is my boyfriend's work jacket thing, and one last face cloth. And yes, we're outside doing my laundry, so it can actually hold quite a bit. And I have my garden hose, so I'm just gonna fill it up with my trusty garden hose. And you fill it up to about here. Yeah, about there. Okay, so we're filled up now. You take the lid, okay, you open this part, and you stick it on. Whoop. Here, you stick it on, and you lock it in place, and you put the lid down. Now it's locked. Okay? You see the handle over here? You have to spin it for 3 minutes. So I have to turn it. Right? And you spin it for 3 minutes. And I do this outside because it's a nice day. Okay, so once it's done, you have a tube thing, and we're going to hook it underneath here. See that? Okay, so the tube is hooked on, and I'm going to release this, open this, which is going to release the pressure, pull it off, and now the water, can you see, is draining into my my watering can. If you position it properly. So it'll go in my watering can, and I'll use it to water my plants. Okay, once it stops draining pretty much, you take off the tube, and you're going to fill it again and do it for another 3 minutes, and that's the rinse cycle. Okay, so now that the rinse is done, we're going to drain it again. We're going to take out the clothes, and you're just going to wring it out. If you have one of those manual spinners, it kind of looks like a giant salad spinner. It's an off-grid dryer to spin your clothes so you can get more water out. That would help a lot, but I don't have one. So I just do it by hand. Rinse out the water. Okay, let's go hang up the clothes. It will take longer to dry because I can't get all the water out, but there you go. Pretty eco-friendly.